Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to complain copyright in YouTube. First, navigate to YouTube Studio and locate the Copyright section in the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find tools to manage your content and identify potential infringements. Before proceeding, ensure you have clear evidence of your original work and the infringing content. This preparation is crucial for a successful claim. To build a strong case, you need solid evidence. Start by identifying the exact video that uses your copyrighted material without permission. Pinpoint the specific moments or segments within their video where your content appears, noting the timestamps. Also, gather direct links to your original work, whether it's another YouTube video, a website, or a file. This documentation is vital for your claim. Once your evidence is ready, it's time to file the claim. In YouTube Studio, under the Copyright tab, select New Copyright Complaint. You'll be guided through a form asking for details about your original work, including its title and where it was first published. Then, you'll specify the infringing video, providing its URL and the precise timestamps of the copied content. Be thorough and accurate. After submission, YouTube will review your copyright claim. They assess the information provided and determine the validity of your complaint. If your claim is successful, the infringing video may be removed, or you might have the option to monetize it yourself. This process can take some time, so patience is key. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.